Hi everybody, I'm going to try something. There's a lot of people doing 2-Minute Tuesdays, and I'm going to challenge myself to see if I can do it. So today I want to talk about a tool outside. We have beautiful weather. It's been pouring and thunder and lightning and hail. Okay, I diverse. This is the tool that I use, and it's so good to keep birds and all kinds of critters off your container gardening. So what I would say is, if you are interested in this today, I think tomorrow and the next day, eBay's got a sale right now which is called eBay Bucks. You must sign up for the eBay Bucks if you have an eBay account. Then you're going to get 8% back if you spend over $25. If you spend under $25, you'll get 6% in eBay Bucks. I've got one account that's got like $20. So you will get this, which is $10. I will put the link underneath. Then you'll get eBay Bucks for whatever amount you spend. I'm going to get myself today Hunter Green. Look how beautiful. Gary said he wants white, so I'll see if I'll get him some white. He wants to wrap fruit in it, but this is good to protect your fruit. You can cover your containers. You can make your own teepees like I did, and you can put them on. I'm going to do a whole video on this, but with clothespins. But you must sign up with eBay, and I'm not promoting eBay. It's just that I buy on there. And make sure that you buy from somebody that's within the USA. Check the date as to when the shipping date is, a time of arrival. Don't buy anything out of the country if it's going to take weeks or months and months to come. But I will give you the link where I am going today to buy. This has been a life changer for me. I cover my kale now when I don't want the birds to eat it. It works great. I think I've covered everything, and it's not even 2 minutes. So I figured I'll try it. If this works out, maybe I will do 2-Minute Tuesdays. So with that, have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye. I had time to spare. Son of a gun, I could have said so much more.